everyone, and welcome back to the next video in this extended series of videos released in succession, providing a full read-through of every witness statement from the UK trial between Johnny Depp and NGN. I hope you find this series informative, and here we go. John Christopher Depp II and News Group Newspapers and Dan Wooten. Witness statement of Starling Jenkins. I, Starling Jenkins, will say as follows. I've worked in the security and transportation field since 1992. I've worked for the claimant personally since 1993, providing security services to both him and his family. I transitioned to this line of work after serving in the United States Marines from 1983 to 1987. I confirm that, save where otherwise appears, the facts stated in this witness statement are within my own knowledge and that those facts are true to the best of my knowledge and belief. Where facts are not within my own knowledge, I confirm that they are true to the best of my information and belief, and the source of that information is set out. I make this witness statement in support of the claimant's claim in these proceedings. I do not know the full details of the claimant's claims against the defendants in these proceedings. I confirm this witness statement was obtained through emails with the claimant's solicitors and material taken from the draft declaration I provided for use in the US proceedings brought by the claimant against his ex-wife, Miss Amber Heard, which addresses many of the same facts. I am aware of the violence allegations that have been made publicly for the last few years by Johnny Depp's ex-wife, Miss Amber Heard. My experience of Amber and Johnny's relationship. In the many years I have worked for Johnny, I have never seen him use physical force on Amber in any way, nor have I seen any marks, bruises, or injuries on Amber that suggest she has suffered abuse by Johnny. On the occasions that I have witnessed Johnny or Amber argue, he assumes a passive tone and wants to leave her presence. Events of 21st and 22nd April 2016. I was working a security shift at 849 South Broadway residence on the night of 21st of April 2016, the night Amber was celebrating her birthday with her friends. When I left the residence, Johnny had not yet arrived. I returned to the residence the following day, 22nd of April, to escort Amber and her friends to the desert for the Coachella Music Festival. I understand that Amber has alleged Johnny committed an act of DV on the night of 21st of April. When I arrived at the residence on 22nd April, I saw no marks or bruises of any kind on her face or body. When I entered the residence, Amber explained to me that she had thrown Johnny's cell phone and the wallet containing it off the balcony the night before, and that she was using the Find My iPhone application on another cell phone to locate Johnny's phone. The Find My iPhone application indicated that Johnny's phone was somewhere on the streets below the balcony of the residence. I walked out the streets and did not see the phone. I then asked several homeless people if they had it. One homeless man admitted to me that he had the phone, and he returned the phone to me in exchange for the following: $425 cash, 3 chicken tacos, 2 bags of chips, 2 apples, and 4 bottles of water. I drove an SUV with their luggage and Amber's dogs to the desert, and Amber drove separately with her sister and friends in her Ford Mustang. These friends were Raquel Pennington, Amber's sister Whitney, Amber's assistant Savannah, and Amber's makeup artist. I believe Amber's friend Io Tillett drove separately. Once in the desert, it was my responsibility to drive the group from their hotel in Palm Springs, the Parker, to the Coachella venue, as well as to shadow them for safety and security purposes. During the weekend, I heard Amber frequently express her anger that Johnny did not come to her birthday party on 21st of April, but she did not say one thing or make any innuendos about allegations of DV. She was hooping it up all weekend, and it was clear that she and her girlfriend spent much of the time at Coachella intoxicated. She threw up at least once in the parking lot of the Parker and was clearly dehydrated at the time, and I had to obtain ginger ale and crackers for her. Text message from Amber in May 2016. I last heard from Amber on the 12th of May 2016. She asked me if she could call me and said she has a blocked phone number. I did not respond to that text. Statement of truth. I believe the facts stated in this witness statement are true. I understand that proceedings for contempt of court may be brought against anyone who makes or causes to be made a false statement in a document verified by a statement of truth without an honest belief in its truth. Signed, Starling Jenkins, 11th of May 2020.